So here's an interesting app called Pixel Pals Widget and Activity, customized with cute pads. This is the app where you can add all these Pixel Pals pads to your home screen widget. Also there is lock screen widget, and that's it. So you can add just like these cute animations to your home screen or to your lock screen. And another cool feature about this app is that you can add transparent background. Yeah, and then it will just look like you just have this little pixel pile on your home screen. So just open it up, download the app. If you want to use lock screen widgets, make sure to upgrade to iOS 16. Home screen widgets you can use from iOS 13. Then you can upgrade here if you want to have access to all the animals, but other than that you can just try it like this. And so here you can just see the pixel piles, and then let's just try to add the widget. So tap and hold and then just tap plus, and then let's just search and you will have pixel piles available. So then just add it like this, and then you have pixel pile jumping around your home screen. Also you can add it in the lock screen. So yeah, that's kind of like a fun little widget here, which you can add. So that's basically the idea. Then you can just edit widget. You can change pixel pile here. You can select info background. You can select background. You can select default transparent, all of that. You can select action type, so you can change run, walk, sleep, crouch, lie down. So if you want to have your pixel pile like lie down, you can just have it like this. So it's like super cute, right? And also then you can just add a transparent background and it will add even more magic. You can change the background or include like the photo of change the some photo, custom photo, some different color. And so you can also, I don't know what's like project PIG is. So that's like just a bigger pixel pile. So it's something like it. So try that as well. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can use it on the lock screen or you can use it on the home screen. So then you can also set a weather location. So you can just try that. Let's see if that's working. And then you can also add like I guess some other backgrounds, but this is like really cute, right? So info background, maybe you can also add like the weather here. So yes, that's the idea. Hope that is helpful. Thank you for watching, and that's about that.